Hello students, my name is Anay Rambazado. I teach a type of triangle and based on the side equilateral triangle. Triangle having three sides are equally in length is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. Triangle with any two sides are equally in length is called an isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. Triangle with no any two sides are equally in length is called scalene triangle. Based on angle, an acute angle triangle. A triangle having all three sides are equal, acute is called acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Triangle with one angle is right and other two angle is acute is called right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Triangle with one angle is obtuse and other two angle is acute is called obtuse angle triangle.